This is a step-by-step guide that will take you from just bought to profitably sold. Hello, it's your real estate sensei. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey, renovating your first investment property. Whether you're flipping for profit or creating a dream rental, this guide is your blueprint for success. Let's dive right in. Planning and budgeting. Step 1. Plan and budget. Before swinging that hammer, planning is crucial. Start with setting a clear goal for your property. Are you flipping it or renting it out? Your end goal will dictate your renovation strategy. Now, budgeting. It's not just about the purchase price. Factor in renovation costs, holding costs, and unexpected expenses. A good rule of thumb? Budget an extra 20% for those unforeseen issues. Be thorough, realistic, and always keep an eye on your ROI, return on investment. If you want to learn more about renovation budgeting, check out our other video on the subject, Renovations Budgeting 101, The Ultimate Guide, Assessing and Prioritizing Renovations. Step 2. Assess and prioritize. Conduct a thorough property inspection. Identify which areas need immediate attention and which can wait. Prioritize structural over cosmetic renovations. Safety first, aesthetics second. Structural integrity, plumbing, electrical, and HVAC systems are at the top of your list. Once these are in check, move on to cosmetic improvements. Remember, each renovation decision should add value to your property. Hiring contractors versus DIY. Step 3. To DIY or not to DIY. Assess your skills honestly. Simple cosmetic changes like painting or landscaping, go ahead DIY. But for structural work, it's wise to hire professionals. The key here is to balance your budget with the need for quality work. When hiring contractors, get multiple quotes, check references, and ensure they are licensed and insured. Communication is key. Be clear about your expectations, timelines, and budgets. Designing for your target market. Step 4. Design for your market. Who is your ideal buyer or renter? Families? Young professionals? Design and renovate with them in mind. Choose neutral colors and durable materials. Functionality should always meet style. Keep up with market trends, but avoid being too trendy. You want your property to appeal to the widest audience possible. The final touches and marketing. Step 5. Final touches and marketing. The devil is in the details. Ensure a thorough cleanup post-renovation. Stage the property if possible. It helps potential buyers or renters visualize living there. Now, let's get this property on the market. High-quality photos are a must. List your property on relevant platforms and consider working with a real estate agent to broaden your reach. Congratulations! You've just walked through the steps of renovating your first investment property. From planning to profit, you're now equipped to make informed decisions and turn your property dreams into reality. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and share your renovation journey in the comments.